660 cams, you need the 2 valve springs. It's like a little groove on the top of the valve that it lock into place. That's how they look.
We got this. What's going on with this motherfucker? Sir, hear that thing now. That bitch sound ferocious. Wah! Wah!
It do it easy too, like just tap the gas.
It's I was just finna say it's real responsive, huh?
Yep. I don't even think he still got some tuning to do. It was just a little startup tune he put in it. So.
That bitch sound great though.
Yeah. It ain't working.
It's cool when you got the completion, huh?
Hold on, let me get the key for you.
That mother so fire. It's that new. Crazy they really make these dashes for every damn old car. I bet. She got like 17, 18, 18. Shit. I want one for the Cutlass too, man. On his way. So what now? Just exhausting.
Exhaust, dry shaft.
Dry shaft.
And put the interior together.
Just about ready. Oh, he got one of them cool ass steering wheels. All the SEMA cars.
You heard this one?
That motherfucker sounds great. Alright, y'all, got the 67 redone by Chaotic. New wheels, new brakes, new rear end, I believe. This was a race car, so they left the gas tank how it was because it was molded into the floor in the trunk, so it would have been too much to take that out. But all these emblems were there already. Got the LS7 in there now. Sounds great. Looks great. Another hit by the guys. Sound like it's open back there for real.
Convertible.
Right. That's what they sound like. Like ain't really nothing even on this bitch. It always is like as soon as you really get in there, then you feel like, oh yeah, he ain't even been in this motherfucker the whole time. pretty good. How that steering wheel feel?
These things are fucking badass.
Awesome. I gotta get one.
Yeah.
I gotta get one.
You already know I wouldn't be going.
Right, say the whole fleet finna have these. Damn near every car from now on go get one. Get one of these hoes for real.
This is that 4L80, you know, they got the long first and second gear.
Okay.
Because they're made for torque.
Right, okay.
Basically got 400 with overdrive. Everything. Yeah, when it breaks, it breaks. This thing just rides so smooth.
Yeah, I don't feel really any bumps or nothing.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, so 67 is complete. Let Shane tell y'all what they did.
This was previously a race car.
Right.
It was ladder barred. It had race car front suspension on it. Manual steering. Individual odometer gauges, no AC. It was wired up like a race car. So we took all that stuff off. We 4-linked it, put all full Ridetech front suspension on it, big brakes, rewired it from headlight to taillight with an American Auto Wire. Vintage air. We took the dash out, put all the Dakota dash back in. So it looked more modern.
Yeah.
We used the RTX dash for this one, keep it the classic look.
Yeah, that is so good.
Replaced the top, got the vinyl top off, put a cloth top on, put new tubs in it, put the 12-inch wheels on it. What else we do? LS7 swap, 4L80.
Right. Billet, intake.
Billet, intake, Sean's alloy intake. Super nice intake. Can't beat their quality.
And I'm like, this is an unrecognizable LS7.
Yeah.
If you didn't know, you ain't gonna know.
No, it makes good power.
Yeah, definitely.
Runs good.
As y'all saw.
We did the Ring Brothers carbon spoiler on it.
Okay, that's Ring
All
Brothers.
Ring Brothers. Hinges, everything. So, this thing will probably be framed off in the next 6 months.
Right. Just gonna come on right on back.
Put wipers back on the car. We didn't have wipers on it. We used the Detroit Selective Speed kit. That's amazing.
Okay.
Super easy.
For the windshield wiper stuff. Oh. Alright, man.
All LED headlights, tail lights. That's the Holly brand LED. Super freaking bright.
Okay.
You're riding around with low beams on, everybody's flashing and thinking you got high beams on.
Oh, damn.
Then you hit the high beams, you're like,
I literally got to get off the road.
yeah, hey, I'm sorry.
Right.
Yeah,
My bad.
Right. I'll never put another car on the road out LED headlights.